All right, here it is. Number one. We're going to start off with a light score 2012 NFL. Got 11 cards per pack, 7 cards in a pack. All right, let's do this. As you guys can see in the background, we got some more that will be breaking very soon. All right. All right. We got a Jordy Nelson, Javid Best, Greg Olson, Terrell Suggs, in the zone, Laurent Robinson, rookie George Iloka, Pat Angler. All right. Jared Cook, Ben Tate, Jason Pierre-Paul, Fred Jackson, Curtis Lofton, BJ Cunningham rookie, Alton Smith. All right. Pack 3. We got Jeremy Maclin, James Harrison, Champ Bailey, Lewis Murphy. We got a Roddy White, 100 receptions. We got Levon Brazil and TJ Graham. All right, we have 4. We got Brent Grimes, Andre Roberts, Deshaun Jackson. He's probably with the Raiders now. Andre Caldwell. We got Terrell Suggs, complete player. Luke Kuechly, rookie, not bad. And LaShawn McCoy, foil.